Class 10, Chapter 12, Applications of Trigonometry, Exercise 1, Ninth problem. Ninth problem. An observer of height 1.8 meter is 13.2 meter away from a palm tree. The angle of elevation of the top of the tree from his eyes is 45 degrees. What is the height of the palm tree? What is the height of the palm tree? Exercise 1, ninth problem. An observer height is 1.8 meters and distance between him and palm tree is 13.2 meters. We should find height of the palm tree. Stemless plants are called palm trees. Remember, now here you are the observer. Think you are coming and you are walking here near the tree, means your height is up to here will be your height. Therefore 1.8 meters. Your observer height is 1.8 meters. Your height is 1.8 meters. Again now this is 13.2 meters distance between you and the palm tree. This forms a rectangle. Parallel sides are equal. Therefore 13.2 meter means here also 13.2 meters. Here 1.8 means here also 1.8 meters. Now angle of elevation of the top of the tree from here to angle of elevation of the top of the tree is how much? 45 degrees. Angle of elevation 45 degrees. Here we should find height of the tree. This up to here height what we don't know. Therefore we'll think as a height. Let the height of the palm tree AB. Suppose this thing as AB means h plus 1.8 we should find. Now in Hindi एक ऑब्जर्वर है, इसका हाइट 1.8 मीटर्स है. यहाँ से या पाम ट्री तक दूरी क्या बोलते 13.2 मीटर्स है. आप यहाँ से यहाँ पाम ट्री तक आए तो क्या होता तुम्हारा हाइट यहाँ तक रहता ना 1.8 मीटर्स. ये ऑब्जर्वर का नो इट्स बिकम ये क्या बन रहा रेक्टेंगल ट्रायंगल बन रहा. बोलते पैरेलल साइड्स आर इक्वल. नो 1.8 मीटर बोलते 1.8 मीटर 13.2 मीन्स 13.2 मीटर. ऑब्जर्वर आई से यहाँ से देखे तो पाम ट्री को 45 डिग्री से एंगल आ रहा. टोटल ट्री की हाइट क्या है फाइंड आउट करना. मगर यहाँ तक हाइट हम लोग को मालूम यहाँ तक 1.8 मीटर. दूसरा का क्या है హెచ్ ले रहे हम लोग. ఒక అబ్జర్వర్ నోడు ఇక్కడ చూస్తున్నాడు 1.8 మీటర్స్. ఈ అబ్జర్వర్ ఇక్కడ ట్రీ దగ్గర పోయిననుకో ఆయన హైట్ 1.8 మీటర్స్ ఉంటుంది కదా. ఈ ప్యారలల్ సైడ్స్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్ అయిన రెక్టాంగిల్ 1.8 మీటర్స్ 1.8 మీటర్స్. ఇక్కడ 13.2 మీటర్స్ అంటే ఇక్కడ 13.2 మీటర్స్. ఈ ఐ ఇక్కడ నుండి చూస్తున్నాడు. ఐ నుండి ఈ కన్ను దగ్గర నుండి చూస్తే ఒక పామ్ ట్రీ వరకు యాంగిల్ 45 డిగ్రీస్ ఉన్నది. ఈ హైట్ మనకు తెలుసు ఇక్కడ వరకు. ఈ మిగతా హైట్ కనుక్కోవాలంటే దీని హెచ్ అనుకుంటాం. దీని హెచ్ ప్లస్ 1.8 తీసుకుంటే మనకు టోటల్ హైట్ ఆఫ్ ద పామ్ ట్రీ మనకు వస్తుంది. మనము ఇక్కడ ఫస్ట్ విల్ టేక్ దిస్ యాజ్ ఏ అండ్ ఐల్ రైట్ హియర్ బి సి డి ఈ. A, B, C, D, E. We should find height of the palm tree. Means AB is the height of the palm tree. Means H plus 1.8 meters. We will find means we will get the answer. Let the height of the palm tree AB. Height of the palm tree AB is equals to H plus 1.8 meters. H plus 1.8 meters. Now height of the observer CD. Here height of the observer CD is equal 1.8 meters. 1.8 meter. Since CD is equal BE, CD is equals to BE is equals to 1.8 meters. Is equals to 1.8 meters. CD is equal BE is equal 1.8 meters. The distance between the palm tree and the observer DE. Distance between the palm tree and the observer is equals to 13.2 meters. 13.2 meters. Since B since BC is equals to DE is equals to 13.2 meters. BC is equals to DE. Here BC is equals to DE. BC is equals to DE is equals to 13.2 meters. 13.2 meters. Now we'll take this right angle triangle. Right angle at E. ADE is a right angle triangle. Right angle at E. Here DE is equal to 13.2 meters. Here angle is equals to 45 degrees. This is H. AE is H. From the figure, in a triangle AED, angle E is equals to 90 degrees. E is equals to 90 degrees. Hypotenuse is the longest side and hypotenuse B side. Hypotenuse B side is adjacent side. Adjacent side. Here next side is opposite side. In exam point of view, you write the total spellings adjacent, opposite side, hypotenuse. You don't write like this. Now we'll find tan 45 degrees. Will take opposite side by adjacent side. We should find H now. Now tan 45 degrees is equals to tan 45 degrees is equals to opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side by adjacent side. Now tan 45 degrees is equals to 1. Tan 45 degrees is equals to 1. Opposite side. Here opposite side is equals to AE and adjacent side is equals to DE. Here adjacent side is equals to DE. 1 by 1 is equals to AE is equals to H from the figure, and DE is equals to 13.2 meters. DE is equals to 13.2 meters. By cross multiplication, H is equals to 13.2 meters. Here height of the palm tree is equals to AE plus EB. BE or EB we can write. AE plus EB. H plus 1.8 meters. Here height of the palm tree is equals to AE plus EB or BAB. EB is equal to BE. Both are equal. AE means H plus BE or EB is equals to 1.8 meters. But here H is equals to, just now we proved above, 13.2 meters. 13.2 meters. H is equals to 13.2 meters. H is equal to 13.2 meters plus 1.8 is equals to 13.2 plus 1.8 is equals to 15 meters. 13.2 plus 1.8 is equals to 15 meters. Height of the palm tree is equals to 15 meters. Total height of the palm tree is equal to how much? 15 meters. Hence we proved.